Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel Intexture by A&K. In today's video, we're going to talk about 4 topics all related to living room interior design. We are going to start with living room trends, followed by fresh living room ideas, then living room decor, and finally living room furniture trends. So let's get started. Design trends invite us to explore new horizons, experiment with novel elements, reevaluate our past and embrace our surroundings. And so, it's no surprise that living room trends are a whimsical fusion. We're talking contrasting styles, a resurgence of all things vintage and eco-friendly design. Trends in interior design encapsulate the spirit of our age. They emerge organically in response to the dynamic and ever-evolving world that surrounds us. Living room trends will take on diverse forms, from highly practical to extraordinarily inventive, and some of them might captivate us by being delightfully absurd. The importance of sustainability continues to grow every year, and it shows in the living room design ideas. Recycled materials, upcycled furniture, and eco-friendly decor will play a vital role in designing environmentally conscious living spaces. Expect to see an array of multifunctional, stylish, and above all, planet-friendly elements made from innovative materials. Mixing contemporary and traditional elements has become increasingly common as a resourceful way to produce a personalized, often timeless look. Blending elements from different eras is favored by many, and living room ideas and trends extend to a new level of eclecticism. We expect to see a lot of fresh creative expression within the limits of cohesive design. A smart home has become a staple of modern living. Technology is revolutionizing how we interact with and experience our living spaces. From elaborate entertainment setups to automated furniture, living room trends hold hands with high-tech advancements, seamlessly integrating smart home systems and gadgets in the layouts. The days of monochromatic rooms seem to be waning, making way for vibrant resurgence and announcing an exciting era of interior design. Colorful is the new black in living room interior design trends, and these ideas are all about embracing warm, feel-good compositions. The allure of deep, expressive color palettes also means fresh opportunities to create living rooms that are not only visually striking but also emotionally resonant. Subdued luxury emerges as a notable interior design trend, embodying timeless elegance with a contemporary lifestyle. This trend encapsulates luxury through an inconspicuous lens, aligned with the sustainable approach and appreciation of enduring design. It also fosters a departure from excess and welcomes more thoughtful, selective, and deliberate interior spaces. Careful curation emphasizes quality over quantity. Dreamy, futuristic decor schemes will take a more prominent spot in interiors. This style is marked by its hallmark use of curvilinear forms, gleaming silver hues, and luminous textures. Such an aesthetic seamlessly complements the overarching trend of highly polished metallic finishes, offering a glimpse into the future where decor reflects a balance of sophistication and innovation. Before we go any further with this video, if you want to support us, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. The world of interior design is ever evolving and takes on board the living room, which is often considered as the heart of a home. These trends are set to transform your lounge into a contemporary sanctuary. Most major color authorities seem to have been dreaming in blue and quite wonderful dreams. The color palette of the year flaunts a range of blue shades, from Sherwin-Williams' mesmerizing pastel upward to Benjamin Moore's cosmic blue nova. Even better news, these shades also make a beautiful fit, allowing you to incorporate them into your decor without hassle. Although interior design ideas shift toward enclosed dedicated rooms, open space layouts are still relevant. Nevertheless, you can allow the flow without major renovation, using creative room dividers as the answer to this modern conundrum. The versatile functionality of room screens allows you to place them as needed, creating handy yet attractive focal points. Meanwhile, using elegant draping curtains can not only separate spaces but also significantly elevate the room's style. Lighting fixtures make a key element of living room decor. from oversized chandeliers to sculptural floor lamps. Lighting will be as aesthetic and artistic as it is functional. Moreover, in line with the resurgence of romantic design, we expect to see a lot of creatively incorporated vintage table lamps. Consider using these statement designs to create focal points and add a sense of drama to the space. Statement lighting is not everyone's cup of tea. Luckily, living room trends have more than one option on offer. As we gradually step away from recessed lights, concealed LED lights emerge as a subtler but flexible alternative, providing both illumination and a contemporary aesthetic. These fixtures offer a versatile alternative to conventional lighting, seamlessly integrating with any style to convey a sophisticated atmosphere. Cork floors are set to become a part of our layouts as a notable interior design trend. Their sustainable nature aligns perfectly with modern design's growing emphasis on environmental consciousness. Cork also offers exceptional comfort underfoot for a soft step. Furthermore, its natural sound-absorbing properties and durability add to its appeal, making it an attractive flooring option for the contemporary home. Contemporary living room ideas bring a fresh, downtown chic look to urban city apartments. We will slowly move beyond the industrial trend, known for stripped-down steel and copper details, towards confident colors and a soft, elaborate backdrop. Think painted brick walls or wall paneling in muted hues. Next, top them up with vibrant furnishings, accessories, and art that match the lively energy of a modern city. Trends are not static, they continually evolve and adapt according to the cultural, environmental, and technological shifts of our time. They manifest our collective creative spirit, influenced by culture, social movements, technological breakthroughs, and of course, the ever-moving pendulum of fashion. Some of the living room decor trends could evolve into timeless classics, so let's explore them more closely. There is a rising appreciation for handmade and artisanal decor items. These unique pieces add a touch of individuality and charm to the living room. But beyond that, opting for handmade decor means celebrating craftsmanship in a world often dominated by mass-produced goods. Bringing around the charm of yesteryears, the classic allure is making a strong comeback in living room decor. Expect to see elaborate accent furniture, traditional accessories, whimsical details, and color schemes from past eras. This trend pays homage to design classics and adds a romantic touch to contemporary living spaces. Walls will become a canvas for creativity. Artistic wall treatments, including textured wallpapers, bold murals, chic paneling, and creative paint techniques, will make living rooms more distinctive and visually appealing. This trend allows homeowners to showcase their individuality without the constraints that ruled the neutral, minimalist layouts for so long. In line with revival of classic elegance, stripes return as a vital element of stylish home decor. You can apply them anywhere, from furniture upholstery to accent walls. Stripes offer an excellent way to infuse a distinct flair into your living room ideas. In addition, they harmonize beautifully with trendy color palettes, subtly enhancing a room's character with a timeless appeal. Colorful glass is poised to take the spotlight as a prominent interior design trend. Vibrantly translucent glass elements inject a burst of energy into living spaces of all styles. From vases and sculptures to stained glass room screens, they bring a captivating play of light and decor, elevating the room's ambience and allure. Checkerboard patterns are making a stylish comeback in interior design, but with a unique twist. Instead of bold color juxtaposition, try introducing this classic look through textural elements for a more original, subdued approach. Think checkerboard textures on throw pillows, area rugs, or even wall paneling, blending the essence of tradition with a contemporary touch. As we move towards the future, our interiors have become the playground for innovation, sustainability, and personal expression. Consequently, living room ideas boast unique furniture designs, cheerful palettes, and sustainability-driven materials. Living room design is poised to be dynamic and diverse, allowing you to create spaces that truly reflect your values and individuality. flexibility, and adaptability are among the vital living room furniture trends. Modular furniture will rule layouts, providing you the opportunity to quickly reconfigure your space according to your needs. This trend emphasizes the importance of a versatile design approach, especially in city condos, studios, and similar small living areas. Furniture with soft, curvy lines will continue to dominate living room interior design, and it's easy to see why. These curves create an inviting and cozy yet exceptionally sophisticated conversational areas within a living room. Gentle contours and plush upholstery ooze an organic, inviting allure, offering both comfort and class. In recent years, we have been witnessing a surge in distinctive seating. Notably, bold statement sofas have made quite an impact. The logical next step was the addition of fun, vibrant, colorful accent chairs, and many trend-setting producers have already delivered. Meanwhile, for those with an affinity for thrift finds and unique pieces, new living room design ideas offer exciting prospects with vintage-inspired seats. Living room trends embrace the enduring allure and glamorous refinement that polished metals can bestow upon interiors. In addition, we are seeing the renewed popularity of silver hues, pushing forward aluminum as an environmentally conscious choice. However, when incorporating these finishes at home, feel free to embrace the eclectic mix of different metals and textures, adding profound visual interest to your decor. Colorful carpentry celebrates the beauty of wood while adding a fresh twist through creative paint choices. Introduce this trend via cabinetry, wet bars, baseboards, crown molding, or doors. Use bold colors to convey a striking contrast and create unexpected focal points, breathing new, vibrant life into old layouts. In the upcoming year, the interior design landscape will remain steadfast in its commitment to sustainability, with an increasing emphasis on upcycled textiles. This trend is driven by a growing awareness of the importance of repurposing and minimizing waste in the design industry. This momentum will persist and expand in the upcoming year, with even more brands creating beautiful fabrics using repurposed materials. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.